Hi there, I'm Sherry.
And I'm Pete. As a motor coach operator, you have a tremendous responsibility to safely transport passengers. In this course, Safety Best Practices, you'll be introduced to every aspect of safety and the actions you should take to keep everyone safe.
The bus is a heavy, powerful vehicle, and it is capable of doing great damage when operated incorrectly. Conversely, when operated safely by a professional driver, you and your bus are essential to the enjoyment of life in our society.
In this program, we're going to explain all the actions and techniques to achieve this. This program, Safety Best Practices, sets the foundation to everything you'll need to do to achieve the goal of safe quality service. What is safety? We use the word all the time.
Yeah.
Drivers kind of know what it means, but when they think about it, they realize they can't really explain it. How can you have a passion for safety if you don't even know what it means or what it is?
So, what is the definition of the word safety? Take a few moments to think about this. What do you think safety is? We'll be right back.
Now let's look at safety from the other direction. What happens when we're not safe, when we take risks? Sometimes it leads to an accident. So let's examine what accidents are. An accident can be small and involve only minor damage. However, sometimes accidents involve major property damage or severe injury. No matter what their size, no one wants to have an accident. But when an accident happens, it's because someone took a risk. Someone acted in an unsafe way.
First and foremost, we care about the moral issues. How accidents affect our passengers, our fellow employees, and the communities we serve. Of course, no one wants to cause someone else harm. In fact, we want to do everything we can to prevent it. Caring is very good, but knowing what to do to prevent accidents is even more important.
There's nothing good about having accidents. They cost a lot in terms of time, money, and emotional and physical pain.
There are many types of accidents too, but we are going to focus on vehicular accidents. We all know about these. Each year in the U.S., there are about 11 million vehicle accidents. These result in 33,000 fatalities, 2.2 million injuries, and a cost of $50 billion. Billion with a B. That's right, 33,000 fatalities each year, because drivers make mistakes that could be easily avoided.
So, do you know the definition of an accident? Take a moment now to think about this and share your thoughts. In this course, we discussed safety and what it means to be safe. We said that safety is defined as freedom from risk. Risk is the possibility of damage or injury. So, safety is being free from the possibility of injury or damage. If we eliminate or reduce the risk around us, we're safer. Then, we looked at what happens when we aren't safe. This is when accidents can happen.
We said that if we wanted to eliminate accidents, we first had to know what they are. We said that an accident is an unplanned event which disrupts activity, involves or affects people, and that has a cause.
Then we learned why people have accidents. We said that while there were thousands of reasons, all of them could be organized into three main categories. People fail to pay attention, people exceed their performance capabilities, and people have accidents because they repeatedly perform unsafe behaviors. In other words, they develop unsafe behavior patterns. We spent quite a bit of time discussing that third reason because it's the foundation for the scientific theory of 329.1.
Next, we discussed some of the more common types of bus accidents that occur and the behaviors that cause them. Understanding what accidents are and why they happen is the first step toward preventing them. Learning more about the specific accidents and the related behaviors that cause them is the second step. So, what do you think the third step might be? Stop now and discuss what you can do with this knowledge.